The factory and the guys in the hatchery have been making all of the scraps into different things this week. Been making scrunchies and hair ties and some little bucket hats for the summer. So it's learning what's kind of productive and what we can manage. But this is all waste from the factory floor. So when they're cutting out all of the garments in between panels, there's quite often awkward pieces like this one. We collect it because I can't bear to see it go to landfill, and because we're hoping that one day we're going to find a use for it. You're never going to get down to zero waste. You're never going to manage to not have any waste from the clothing, but if we can learn to make these little items out of it, and also learn to make things that people want to buy alongside the dresses and the items, then means that they're not scraps and they're not waste if they have a use.